alaikum. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I, Muhammad Imtiaz Hussain, teacher of class 4, Milestone School and College, welcome you to today's online class. Today is very special class. I will tell you one story. Will you listen first or last after this class? Oh no, you want to listen first? Okay, I will tell you the story first, and it is a real story. When I was at the age of 8, my big sister was 10 and my small sister was 6. We went to visit on aunt home. Aunt has given an apple to eat. Then my small sister told, I want to eat full apple. Then I also tell full apple. My big sister was very worried what she can do. She was thinking, and I starting crying. My sister also starting crying. She wants more. I wants more. Then my big sister taken decision. She has cut that apple into 4 equal pieces, and my small sister got 2 pieces. I 1, and my big sister has taken 1 piece of apple. Then after coming to my home, my mother asked us, what you have eaten? Then I told, I have eaten 1 apple. Then my small sister is telling, I have eaten 2 apples. And my big sister was laughing. How it is possible? She has given us an apple. How can you eat 2 apples, 1 apple? Then we thought, how can we express that things? Whatever we have eaten, then I am thinking. Then I am asking to my sister, how can I express? I did not eat full apple. How can I express? Then she uttered, you have eaten 1 piece of apple, and she has eaten 2 pieces of apple from the whole. Then I am thinking, yes, the word is piece. Can you guess which topics today we will learn? Yes, you are right. We will learn fraction. We will learn the definition of fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So these are the things we will learn. Take your copy, and whenever we will tell the definition, please note it. Okay? Fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. These points we will learn today, and you will note it in your copy. Fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. 3 by 4. 3 is upper, that is numerator, and in between 3 and 4 there is one line, it's called fraction bar. And 4 is total part, that is denominator. It is remain in down. To keep remember down denominator. Okay. A fraction is also a part of a set. Look, there are 4 bottles. Among them, 3 are red and 1 is green. So we can write 3 by 4, 3/4 of the bottles are red. Okay, we can express like this way. Now we'll learn like and unlike fraction. Like fraction. Fraction which the same denominators are called like fraction. Example, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. both denominators are same 4. Unlike fraction, fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. Example, 5 by 8, 5 by 3. The denominators are different. Have you seen? We can tell it unlike fraction. Type of fraction. There are 3 types of fraction. First, proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Example, 2 by 8. 2 is less than 8. So it is proper fraction. Upper one is less. Improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Example, 5 by 2, 5 is greater than 2. So it is improper fraction. Have you seen upper one? 5 is greater than the denominator down 2. 4 by 4, it is equal. So this type of fraction we can tell improper fraction. Okay, 4 and 4. Now, mixed fraction. If mixed fraction is the sum of a numeral number and a proper fraction. Example, see, there are 3 objects, among them 2 are whole and another one is half part. So 2 whole and 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. Have understood? Now we will learn different type of fraction. Some fraction. Look, this is 1/4, 1/4. This is 3/4, 3/4. This is 2 by 4, 2/4. We can read 2/4. And this is 1 by 2. We can read half. This is also half, 1/3, 1/4. Whatever we divide, it will be small and small and small. Look, 1/4, 2/4 and half is same. We can tell this is simplified or reduced form. See, 4 by 12, then 2 by 6 and 1 by 3, all are same portion of fraction. And we can measure different types of things, we can express different types of things, share a part of things by using this fraction. Look the picture. See this fraction, 1 by 5, 3 by 8, 5 by 6. This fraction we will color the taken part. So 1 by 5, total part is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part. We will take how many part? 1 part. So we will color this 1 part. Now see 3 by 8. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. We will take how many parts? 3 parts we will take. 1 part, 2 part and 3 parts. This is full is whole and I have taken 1 part. This full is whole. I have taken 3 parts. Now here is 5 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to take how many parts? 5 parts. That means upper one is numerator. That is the taken part. So 5 part we will take among 6 part. See, now observe this picture. Which fraction is greater? Definitely this fraction is greater. Have you seen the greater fraction? This one, these all are proper fraction and it is taken by from on whole. This one up to this portion, this one up to this portion, this one up to this portion. And if there is like fraction, easily we can identify the fraction which one is the greater fraction. Have you understood? See the fraction top of the board: 3 by 5, 9 by 7, 5 by 4, 3 whole 6 by 7, 4 by 5, 1 whole 2 by 5. Now this fraction I will separate into proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. See this fraction: 3 by 4. 3 is small than the 5. 5 is denominator and upper one is numerator. In the definition we have learned, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that fraction is proper fraction. See, it is proper fraction. So I will write 3 by 5. Then is it proper fraction or improper fraction or mixed fraction? Which one? Upper one is the big numerator. Numerator is big, so that it is improper fraction. So 9 by 7 is improper fraction. Now 4 by 5, its upper one also bigger. Upper one bigger, so it will be improper fraction. 5 by 7. Clear? Now this one, 3 whole 6 by 5. This 3 is the whole number and a fraction. Whole number with a fraction is called mixed fraction. So what will be here? This is 3 whole 6 by 7. This is mixed fraction. Now this one done, this one done, this one done, this one done. So this is proper or improper? Tell me. Yes, I am asking you. Tell me. Oh, you're right. Yes, this is proper fraction. 4 by 5. This is proper fraction. Why it is proper fraction? Proper fraction always less than 1. And this is improper fraction, more than 1. 1 or more than 1. Clear? So, and this is, there is whole number. Easily we can identify 1 whole 2 by 5. This is mixed fraction. So I got proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. And whenever we will see the fraction, we can easily identify proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. I am repeating you again. If the numerator, look, upper one is numerator, downwards is denominator. D for down. So always in any fraction in denominator always being down. Clear? Denominator. So upper one is big, is small, so it will be proper fraction. Look, this is smaller than this one, proper fraction. This is bigger one than this one, this is improper fraction. This is bigger one than denominator, this is improper fraction. Whole, always whole number is the mixed fraction with a fraction. 4 is small, so it become proper fraction. Then on whole 2 by 5. This is also whole number, 1 whole. This become mixed fraction. Clear? Do you have any question about this part? No. So if I give you some fraction, can you identify? Will I give you? Take your copy. I will give you some fraction to identify. I am giving you 1 minute time for taking the copy and make this chart. Now see the fraction and you will identify proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. It is your work. Now solve it. In your copy, write it. 7 by 2 it is proper or improper? I will not tell now. 8 by 9, proper or improper? Tell me. 4 whole, 2 by 3, proper or improper? Tell me. 2 by 3, which fraction? 6 whole 1 by 2, what type of fraction? 6 by 7, what type of fraction? I will not solve it. I have shown this one earlier. Please do it. Yes. Thank you for watching today's class, and try to practice more of this fraction, and whatever we have learned, please remember again. Fraction, definition of fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, then proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and identify of the fraction. Please practice at your home. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.